Hello, my name is Richard Magid. I'm a Vice President with CSU Strata, and on behalf of myself and the entire technology transfer team at Colorado State University, I'd like to welcome you to CSU and to Fort Collins. Today I'm going to be talking briefly about tech transfer, and if there's one single idea that I'd like to have you take away from this, it's when to contact CSU Strata. And the answer is really very short, which is anytime. But specifically, we're very concerned with helping you protect your ideas before they're presented to the public. So this means before you present your work at a conference, before you submit an abstract, or before you publish your thesis or dissertation. So backing up for a second, what is technology transfer? What is it that me and my team are actually trying to accomplish? Really what we're trying to do is to move knowledge and inventions from Colorado State to an external partner in order to bring new products to market. There's an amazing amount of innovative research and development going on at CSU, and some of it has the potential to be the next generation of products, services, and even new businesses. Our goal at CSU Strata is to find commercial partners that are strongly committed to developing those ideas into new products, partners that have the resources, both the financial and the personnel resources to actually develop those products. And finally, companies that are willing to pay the university a fair price. It's a huge investment of time, effort, and money by you, the researchers, by faculty, and by the university that led to these inventions. And we want our partners to recognize that and to pay a fair price. So what is an invention? There's a ton of different things that can be an invention, and I've just given a short list of examples of things that have been disclosed and commercialized by CSU Strata. But this isn't all encompassing. There could be plenty of other things that you're working on that also are inventions. But things like new plant varieties, diagnostic assays, medical devices or treatments, whether it's for human health or animal health, software that you develop as part of your research program, or other research tools that you develop in order to accomplish your goals. Clean tech materials or clean tech processes are something that is very active here at Colorado State. Same with new polymers, new chemicals, new methods of manufacturing, things like these. Transgenic animals, transgenic cell lines, sensors, all of these are just some examples of new technologies that may be both innovative research, but also could be the foundation for important products that have an impact on the world. So I could go on for a long time about what the tech transfer process is, and I'd be happy to meet with anybody, individually or in groups throughout their time at Colorado State. But briefly, there's a bunch of research going on, as I said. When you contact the tech transfer office, we first do an evaluation and figure out, is this something where we're going to market to an existing company? Their company's already working in the space and this is going to be their next product. Or do we want to look at forming a startup and going down the entrepreneurship route? Either way, we need to protect the intellectual property. We need to execute a license so that everyone understands the terms by which either the startup or the company gets to work on this technology. They then take it for commercial development, and hopefully we end up with a product on the market that positively impacts the world. There's also a role for you as students. We use interns in several of the roles in the tech transfer office. So, if you think you may be interested in not just engaging with tech transfer as an inventor, but engaging as potentially a career path. I myself, was a PhD biomedical engineer before I moved into tech transfer. An internship is a great way to get engaged. So why should you care about this? Well, there's lots of reasons, right? I think all of us, want to make a positive impact, but you also can make money. So the deal that is offered is that we cover all expenses. If we look at a new invention, a new technology, and we say, we believe in this, we want to invest in it, we cover all of the patent expenses, any other associated legal fees, any marketing fees. CSU Strata has a budget and we have a team, and this is our role in the process. And if we make money, you'll make money. Shown here in the table is the revenue distribution policy for Colorado State. You'll see on the top line that of the net profits, the inventors will make 35%, 10% goes back to the department and the college, 15% goes back to the vice president for research, and CSU Strata retains 40%, which we reinvest into the next generation of inventions. This share, the 35% to the inventors, is earned upon invention. You do not have to stay at Colorado State. You know, if you develop something during your master's project and you graduate after a year or two and move on, and that invention turns into something that's commercially successful, it doesn't matter that you've left Colorado State. You've earned that share by virtue of the work you did here, and as long as you keep in touch with the Tech Transfer Office, we'll continue to send you all the revenues that you've earned. There are other ways also to engage with CSU Strata besides being an inventor. There is a National Academy of Inventors chapter on campus. This is a group that organizes and runs numerous events throughout the year related to innovation and professional development. And then there's also the Colorado State University Demo Day, a celebration of research, innovation, and entrepreneurship at Colorado State that's held each spring. And there are cash prizes given for people that participate with talks and posters. And finally, I want to circle back to where I started, which is the importance of talking to us early and avoiding premature public disclosure. So if you disclose your invention to the public before you work with us to file a patent application, that immediately causes the loss of your foreign patent rights and creates an immediate substantial risk to your U.S. patent rights. So it doesn't automatically kill your potential, but it comes really close. So we really encourage you to come talk to us before there's a public disclosure, which is why I'll close with the same slide I opened with. Contact us anytime, and specifically before you present at a conference, before you submit an abstract, and before you publish your thesis or dissertation. There's several different ways that you can contact us. I've put my personal information. Again, my name is Richard Magid. I'm the Vice President for Tech Transfer for CSU Strata. Of course, we have a website at csustrata.org. We also have an email box, info@csustrata.org. If you email any question or request for contact to this email box, someone will get back to you. I'm also happy to set up meetings either on campus or to have you out to our offices out on Research Boulevard. Thank you very much.